All right, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. And as promised, we're gonna do that walk around on that Ryker wheel wrap. So let's go ahead and let's take that 360. Super quick video, guys. Just want you guys to see it. It came out really good. That's the front. Let's walk around to the other side. Again, it's gonna be a quick video, you guys. Another one. Everything is staying in place. Thank goodness. I wasn't sure if it really was. And here is the rear. Oh yeah, that came out really sweet. I'm really enjoying that. Let's take the shag bag off and let's look at the rear a little bit more. Oh, wrong one. Boom. That's how it looks on the rear. I like that. I like it a lot. Anyway, you guys, I hope you guys like how it turned out. I'm digging it. I'm definitely digging it. I liked it the other way as well, but this just kind of gives it a nice little accented touch. And I did it, and I really didn't want to waste that wrap, so that's how we used it. Came out great, and yeah, that's how it came out. So anyway, guys, hope you guys liked the video. Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe. More things are coming. Only so much more we can do with the Ryker, but we got some more things coming, so definitely stay tuned and definitely tap in. Let's go.